Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we are going to install CUDA Toolkit 10 on Windows. So you go to the developer.nvidia.com/CUDA-10.0-download archive and select your version. After downloading, I copied the file here and I will double click this file. Installer is started. Click OK. Installer is extracting the file. Now it is checking the system compatibility. Click on I agree and continue. Use the express next. Now the installation is completed. Thanks for watching the video and subscribe our channel for more tutorials and videos.